Oy, Por, bakit may kaltas tong payslip ko? Hello po ma'am sir, this is your friendly HR partner Jim. For today's video, kinakaltasan ba ang sweldo mo sa payslip? Or kinakaltasan ba ni ma'am and sir ang sweldo mo sa mga paninda nila? Article 116 of the Labor Code, bawal po kaltasan ni employer ang sweldo ni employee kung walang authority to deduct. Sabihin natin may mga nabasag, there should be an agreement na they authorize deduction. So ano-ano ba ang required, allowed, and not allowed na mga deduction sa ating sweldo? Required po ang SSS, PhilHealth at Pag-ibig, and benepisyo ni employee. BIR withholding tax, it is government mandatory. Pasok na tayo sa what is allowed. 1. Cash advances, but proper documentation. Losses and damages, proven at documented. Number 3, tardiness and absences sa timekeeping at my basis. Doon naman tayo sa optional. 1. Uniform cost. DOLE DO number 174, series of 2017. The cost of the uniform must be shouldered by the employer if required by the employer. Training bonds, may valid contract at reasonable and justification. Number 3, mga company meals and shuttle services kung hindi libre at it must not be imposed. Ang mga hindi pwede, personal loans from cooperatives, banks, and private loan channels. At mga paninda ni ma'am and sir, hindi po yan pwede. DOLE reminders, lahat ng mga salary deductions ay dapat clearly itemize sa payslip ni employee. This is your friendly HR partner Jim. Like, follow, share for more.